I'm going to play this video from the start, and you guys try to remember where they put the chocolate or the candy. I'm going to play it from the beginning so all of you guys have a chance to, you know, take part in the selective attention test. So I'm going to start from the beginning, and you guys pay attention. And it's muted in case I get copyrighted. That's why I muted it. Oh, 23 out of 35. It's not bad, actually. That's still very good. Very good. Remember, it's in the middle cup. It's in the middle. It's in the middle cup. Follow this cup, and at the end, tell me where it is. If you can remember, if you can pay attention. Did you guys get where the candy is? Is it number 1, 2, or 3? 1, 2, or 3? Not gonna lie, I was paying attention, but I lost the center one. Is it? Oh, I think it's the third one, or maybe let's see who is right. Is it the center one or this one? Let's see where it is now.
Try to guess if it's in the left cup, middle cup, or the right cup. Let's check the left cup.
Okay, it's not in that one.
The middle cup?
Oh, you were right.
Guess the
Dang,
cup. You got it right.
you got it right.
So now we're gonna make it.
Well done, you got it right. I guess I wasn't paying proper attention, but now it's gonna be harder. I'm gonna remove the subtitles to make it easier for you guys to see. So basically, there's gonna be the same candy, and there's gonna be more cups. So you guys have to try to figure out where the candy is gonna be at the end of this. And yeah, pay attention, and I'll make sure is there. I'm gonna start it now. Remember, the candy is here. Let's see where they're gonna put it, and at the end of the video you can tell me where it is.
Get a little more complicated. I've added an extra pair of hands and I've added additional colors here. But that's only to distract you from the pink cups.
Where is the candy gonna be at the end? Pay attention. Let's see how attentive you are. Did you guys guess where it is? Is it on this number 1, number 2, or number 3? Where is the candy located? So there's a piece of candy underneath one of these, and they were moving it around. Number 1, this one. I think so too. I hope we're correct. Let's check right now. Let's see if we're correct.
So can you guess where the Hershey Kiss is?
This one. Okay. Okay. Oh, good. We were correct. Well done. So you may have guessed that the chocolate was under the left cup. But did you see the duck? Where's the duck? Where's the duck? Oh, shoot. Did you guys notice the duck when you were paying attention to the cup? Okay, so maybe you saw the duck the first time around, and that's okay. Did you also see the 5th hand in the video? Oh, there's a fifth hand. One, two, three, four, five. Oh, wow, I didn't notice. I didn't catch the five hands because, wow, that's crazy. And if you saw the dog and the fifth hand, did you happen to notice there were blue cups at the beginning but green cups at the end? What? I didn't even notice that as well. Really? I thought they were all the same. I wasn't paying attention. Okay, this was at the beginning, but because I was paying attention to the red cups, I don't know. I just didn't notice. I guess that what selective attention is.
Right again. You're so good at this. Yeah, but okay. So did you see any ducks in that video? No. No. During the video, a duck came out briefly. Oh, there it is. No, I didn't see a duck. I think I honestly lost it like the very beginning.
Well, so yeah, that was a selective attention test that I watched as part of my studies. So, and I thought it was interesting, so I just decided, let me share this test with you guys. It was very interesting. I'm thinking of playing a different game, one that we can all play together. But I'm thinking about it. I don't know what game. Should I do guess the flags again, or is that a bit boring? Or should I don't know what kind of game I can put. If I put a chess game, it's a bit, I don't know how to play chess with people on live. So, what game can I play right now that will be interactive? I'm just gonna think about that right now. Oh, we can play the puzzle games. Puzzles. If you guys like the crosswords and the puzzles to find, you know, sometimes I watch those lives on TikTok and I find that interesting. So I'm just gonna come off. You're not gonna be able to see the screen right now for some seconds, but that's because I'm looking for the game right now. So I'm still here, but I'm just changing the screen on my laptop. So I'm just gonna look for the crossword puzzle games. Okay, I like problem solving stuff. Hopefully you guys like the mind games as well, the problem solving things. All right, crossword. Oh my gosh, I don't know what you call it. Word map. Ay, ay, ay. Word games. Oh, we can play word games. It's even educational, so this live won't be like a waste of time fully. We're learning new words, I guess. Word search. That's what I like. Word search. Let's play this game. Gonna mute the mic in case there's some adverts. I managed to find a word search game. Hopefully, I don't know how. This is my first time clicking on this game, so hopefully it is nice. One moment. Let me do 12 by 12. All right. So, guys, these are board, and those are the words we need to find. And this is our paper. So let's see if we can find it. And this is our time. So if you can find any of the words, let me know. Oh, I don't like the fact that this board doesn't have numbers, so you guys cannot really type where you want me to go. You know, sometimes on TikTok Live, every row is numbered, so you guys can speak. One moment. Hello, so we're gonna play a word search game, but I want there to be like different numbers and coordinates so you guys can type in if you found the word. So I'm gonna look for a proper game now. I'll be back live in a second. Alright, guys, I'm back. Sorry, I had to take a call. So, yeah, I found some award search game. Usually, I would like there to be coordinates, like numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so you guys can properly type. But I don't know how I'm going to do it. Unless I actually go to Word document myself. I'm trying to do it. But all right. So, do you guys find any letter? I mean, any word? Can you guys find any word on the word search? Looking for the word ankle, brave, college, east, fox, inches, orchid, reed, orchid, reed. I don't know how you pronounce that actually. Reed, such, and torch. Can you guys find it? The time is ticking. If you guys find anything, let me know. And this is gonna be like, they're gonna be numbered like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So yes, they're numbered like normal numbers. If you're gonna give me a coordinate, you can write 8, 8,9, 10,10. You know what I mean? So if you want to give me a coordinate, you can give me in two numbers. So just 7,6, which will be actually numbers from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, something like that. So if you guys have any words you found, oh, I think I found touch. Boom shakalaka. Okay, let me not say that. Let me look for college. Oh, actually, I think I'm gonna be fast at this. East. Gonna find east. I'm telling you, I'm gonna find the east to the west. I'm gonna find it right now. East. Aha. I'm telling you guys, he is moving quick. Brave. We ought to be brave, and that's why I found it. Because I was brave looking for this word. If you guys find anyone before me, let me know. I'm looking for anchor, and I think I'm gonna find it very soon. My eyes are like an eagle's eye. I'm looking at the prey. Oh shoot, I got it. I aimed and I I got the shot. I don't know. Yeah. Anyways, I'm looking for a fox and I found it. Why? Because we are built different. Inches, I found it. Why? Because we have the eyes of the eagles. Let me stop glazing myself actually. Let me calm down. But now we're looking for orchid. Bingo. We found it. Now we're looking for the word read. RID. Read. ID. Oh, right there. Perfect. Now we're looking for the last word such. SUC. All right there. Easy. But it took me long, not gonna lie. So let's start a new game. I want to beat max. I want to spend max 3 minutes. We need to improve our pace. Max 3 minutes, guys. So once I touch you, I think it starts counting. Oh no, why isn't it counting? Dang, I thought it was gonna count my time. Anyways, we're looking for furious, bar, block, eat, flight, furious, import, neck, stone, usual, vase. We gotta be fast and furious in this. Bar, we're gonna find it ASAP right there. Block, BLO right there. Eat, EA, where are you? EA right there. Flight, FF, looking for the F's. F and the L's. Okay, so an F right there. Right here. Furious, we're looking for the F and a U. Right? Oh, there's an F and a U. Almost got me there. But not enough. There's an F right there, but there's no U's next to it. Where's the other F? Oh, right here. Furious. Import. Looking for the I next to the M, next to the PORT. Not me trying to rap. Anyways, I am all right here. Neck, NE. Oh, it looks like, I thought it was around here. I feel like it's around here. Something's telling me that, oh, right there. Perfect. Stone, S right here. I think it's too easy, actually. I think it's actually too easy. Usual. Maybe I should get a harder one. Because, yeah, I think it's too easy. Making me feel like I'm actually very good at it. But maybe this is because, maybe because it's very, yeah, it's a normal version. I need to put it in hard. Usual. Oh my gosh. I'm tired of this game already. I'm tired. Oh my gosh, it's like you right there. Oh, right there. Perfect. New game. Oh, 2 minutes. Perfect. We beat the previous time. We're gonna make it hard or expert. I think we're gonna go for hard first, then we go for expert. Okay, guys, now it's harder. So we're looking for the word ahead already. Oh, it reminds me of the Beyonce song, you know. Any, bent, beat, embarrass, flour, fried, green, pocket, receive, remember, surmount. Surmount. So we're looking for these words, guys. And I want to beat my 2 minute timer. So the time is already ticking. We have less than 2 minutes to go. Please help me if you can see any word. I'm gonna go for ahead. So if you know who the word is, let me know. You can say top right, top left, from the right to the left, from the east to the west, from the north to the south. Oh my gosh, it actually looks hard. Oh, we need to be brave though. We must not give up easily. I think I should start looking for flower. Gonna go with the F's. Okay. No. 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 Oh my gosh. Am I missing something? Because I can't see no. I can't see the word. Or maybe, I'm gonna look for the W's. So hopefully I can find the word flower from a W. And I think that strategy will work. Yes. Oh shoot. Right here. Perfect. Now we're gonna look for the word fried. FR. FR together. FR together. Come on, turn the radio on. It's Friday night, so I won't be long. Gotta do my hair, put my makeup on. It's Friday night. Till I hit the dance floor. Oh, I miss those days, not gonna lie. Years ago, this kind of song was popping. But nowadays, it's not really. Actually, for me, it is. Actually, I don't know. Anyways, fried is right there. You know, not gonna lie, I think it's gonna take me like 5 minutes to complete this. Cause what the actual? Why is it so long? Surmount. Oh, I don't know where to start. I don't know where to start. Which word to look for first? Green. Right here. Perfecto. Ahead. Ahead. ¿Dónde está? Ahora mismo estamos buscando la letra A. A de abanico. A de armario. Yeah. Ahead. Oh, found it. Already. Bonjour. Now we're gonna look for the word already. Already. Où es-tu? By the way, I'm just speaking random. Maybe correct, maybe incorrect. Most likely incorrect. Well, yeah. Already. Looking for the word. Here you are. Don't hide. Any. Found you. Bent. Oh my gosh. Bent. B-E-N-T. I'm gonna find you right now. Can you guys find the word receive? It is more blessed to give than to receive. That's a Bible verse, I believe. I'm gonna look for the Bible verse right now. It is more blessed to give than to receive. Yes. The phrase "it is more blessed to give than to receive" highlights Acts 20, verse 35 of the Bible. What? Where did I get the Bible verse from? It is more. It comes from Acts 20:35. Acts chapter 20. Oh my gosh, what the heck did I do, man? Acts 20:35. In everything I did, I showed you that by this kind of hard work, we must help the weak, remembering the words the Lord Jesus himself said. It is more blessed to give than to receive. I remember that. I need to remember this Bible verse. Acts 20:35. I want to remember this quote. As Jesus himself said, it is more blessed to give than to receive. Very true. Very, very true. And now I'm going to look for that word right now. Receive. I will receive. No, I will find, and I found it. You see? Now I'm going to look for the word remember. And I feel like it's around here. There's so many B's and E's. Yes, correct. And I'm going to look for the last word. Surmount. Surmount. And I found it. I don't like this game. I feel like I want to do some maths. Do you guys like maths? But I don't know if I'm as good at maths as I used to anymore. I'm gonna think of something to do in the meantime. Do you guys remember this game? Because I do. What we're gonna call ourselves? We're gonna call ourselves the name of this channel. Or actually, you guys give me some suggestions. If I receive suggestions in the next 20 seconds, I'll write the name as long as it's reasonable and normal. But if you guys don't give me any suggestions, I'll just write the name of this channel as the main name for my Slitherayo thingy. In 10 seconds, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, it has been decided. It will be called the name of this channel, and hopefully we will become the number one in this game. Eesh, should we go hunt? Should we hunt or should we play it safe? Should we? Oh, what are you trying to do? No, ain't nobody gonna try to encircle me, and no way. Should we try to hunt? Oh no 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 no! Oh my gosh! You see, guys, this is why we have to be ambitious. Okay, never mind, never mind. But still be ambitious because don't let. Oh my gosh! Not everything that glitters is gold. That's what this lesson taught me. This game. So, guys, we're gonna go into this game again with the competitor hat on. I don't know. Do we want to be camping or do we want to be fighting? Ooh, this is why, guys, we must pay attention to the obstacles before us before moving. So, should we hunt or should we camp? Oh, food. As it is sweet us, it depend them. As in depend them, or more it is sweet us. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I must go. Can you see? We just went from being a tiny, tiny worm to a big one. I don't know if you guys saw my arc error, or if that's what you call it. I feel like there's gonna be some chaos in these areas. I think I'm gonna stick around. Hey y'all, what you doing? What y'all do? Oh, what are you trying to do? I feel like something's gonna go on in these areas. So I think I should just stick around to see if there's any food available. What is this worm trying to... Ooh, it's going down in there. They must be hungry. Should I try to encircle this one? Okay, no, it's not going to happen. It's not going to happen. I'm a bit ambitious. Oh my gosh, this was... Oh my gosh, I almost... Ay, leave me alone, bro. Leave me alone. I'm just a girl. I'm just a girl, man. I'm just a girl, man. Oh, what's that? Oh, let me calm down. Not everything that glitters is gold. Not everything that glitters is gold. All right, guys. Should we actually try to make... Oh, what is this snake trying to do? I have to escape, bro. What is he trying to do? Who do you think you are? This one. You there. You wait there. I'm going to go for the hunt. I'm going to hunt. I'm going to hunt this one. Because what do you think he was going to do? Bro was trying to eat me in the game. No. Eee! You see, sometimes we almost become our own downfall, so we must be careful. This one is looking tantalizing. Oh, he understood what I was trying to do. I was being too greedy. I need to calm down. Whew, my gosh. If you guys have a target in mind, let me know and I'll try. Eesh. I need to look for the big dogs and stay around there, because usually around that area is where the food is in abundance. Hey, what are you trying to do? Stay in your lane. Oh, I'm trying to get encircled. Never mind. I gotta be careful. What is this trying to do? I knew. Bro, you ain't... Calm down. Leave me alone, bro. Aye! Ambitious little children. Hear me? Oh, I didn't think I was going to survive that. I didn't think I was going to survive that. Whew. You don't understand. My heart rate went up. My heart rate. I need to escape. See what happens. An innocent little lamb was injured. Some greedy worms in this game, not gonna lie. Some greedy people. Hi. Can't let me breathe. What did I do? I just existed. Guys, back to square one. But don't worry, guys. In this game, we can easily grow. I'm sorry I had to do what I had to do. Had to take his food. I'm sorry. But I think we're going to grow quick soon. We just need to look for a prey and be strategic. And we have to be careful of the stubborn little worms that are so confident. Ooh. Let me calm down. Let me calm down. Why is bro so close? I got a hunter. Yes, you see that? No! What did you... Oh my gosh! You saw what I did. Hey, they want to kill me. They stole my food. Oh my gosh! That what happens when... This game, eh? This game. It's not for the weak. It teaches us not to be greedy. To an extent. Depends on how you interpret it. I don't know. Ooh. That was my old skill, no luck. Oh, how dare you? This yellow thing. Oh, I think sort of... Is that a... No. I need to escape this circle. No way. No. I'm gonna look for that one. Oh, it's trying to get me. No. I gotta get out of there. No. You ain't getting me. No. You ain't getting... Ooh! No. You ain't getting me. Eee! Am I in a circle? I don't understand where I am. Okay, no, I'm not. Okay, just let me be free. Let me build a snowman. That's all I need to do. I want to find big fish. Oh, I'm in a circle. I hope not. Ooh, what's going on here? Feast. Literally. I need to stay close. But not so close to the point that... Hey, what's going on? Okay, guys. I think I'm still safe. But I want to follow it. Because I know if this one collapses... Hey. Oh, shoot. I was too ambitious, guys. Yeah, I think this was my last game. See you guys next time when I go live. Hopefully, or unless I can find a different game to play. Right now, I'm just bored, literally. So yeah, I'm just literally playing any game that I have in my on my head. And nowadays, there's not really computer games on the computer, so I'm just playing my childhood games that I used to play for a while. Sorry. So yeah, I don't know what to do. Literally, I like maths. Should we just do some maths? GCSE maths. Literally, I actually do like maths. Not too much though. Actually, I do. Depends on the type of maths though. I would like to do an exam paper, but I don't know if it's available. GCSE past papers, past papers. Let's do a past GCSE paper. As a student that got an A, let's see if I can actually pass it again. I haven't studied maths for like 5 years. Actually, it's even 5 years. For like 2019. So like for like 9 years, I haven't studied maths, guys. For like 6 years, sorry, my maths was not mathing. You see, so I'm gonna try to do some GCSE maths papers and see how I do. The non-calculator one. So let's see how I will do. Oh, shoot, this is November 2023. Let me not try to put it on here. I'm gonna get the older ones that everyone already had access to, in case. I'm gonna go to the past paper of 20. Let's go to 2013. Okay, so we have the past paper. Oh, I don't want a calculator, man. I want non-calculator. And I don't like geometry. Okay, I'm gonna do the one of 20. If I can find the one I actually did, it'll be mad. But that'll be another time. Oh, I need to do the higher paper. Okay, so we have a non-calculator maths GCSE exam. And I'm gonna try to answer some of this. I think I need to download it first. Oh. I'm opening my files, so that's why I covered the camera. My files. Okay, I'm trying to open it in a PDF form. Finally, so I can actually write on the paper. You guys can see what I write. Okay, so we're here. So let's do. I don't know if you guys are in. I don't know how old you guys are, but me, I'm 21. So I already finished high school a while ago. Oh shoot, this actually seems a bit hard. Actually, come on now. Damn. This is what you guys have to do in maths if you guys are in year 11 or year 10 or year 9. Let me do this right now. How do you calculate? Oh shoot, I forgot. I actually forgot how to do this. How do you do this? I thought back in the day I used to understand. I I think I know. I'm gonna give it a go. So this, I think we have to multiply the bottom. Hey, I don't understand. Oh, this means, wait, is this supposed to be a full number? Oh. This means 1.75 plus 3.5. Oh no, is it, that means 3 times half, which is actually 1.5. Sorry, ignore that. 1.5 plus 0.75 is what I think this means. Ignore this part. Hopefully you guys can understand my handwriting. So I think the answer is 0.75 plus 1.5. And I think it will be 5, 3. 2, 2, 2.25 is the answer. Is my answer. Maybe wrong, maybe right. I don't know. Now let's do this one. 28 divided by. I don't know how to do this. 20. First we do 28 divided by 7, which gives you 4, and then you do 4 times 3, which gives you 12. So I think this is 12. I'll check my answers later. Estimate the value of 90. Oh, I don't have time for this. Actually, I can. Estimate. Right? I don't know. I can't do the whole maths right now. But let me just estimate. Its estimation means, does it mean 20 times 200? This is a correct estimation, which will be 4000. So 4K, 4 bags. I don't know if that's correct, guys. I'm just going based. Oh, I don't like graphs. I literally don't like graphs. I forgot how to do it. Literally, I forgot. I'm sorry. I can't do this one. Toji is gonna cover. I forgot how to calculate the volume, not gonna lie. Is it this times that? Oh yeah, it is. I'm not divided by half. Okay. Shy guys, I feel like back in the past I would have understood this question, but right now my mind is jiggling. My mind is bamboozled. I'm bamboozled. Do you guys know the next step? Literally, help me. Dang, I feel like checking my calculator right now for the calculation. I don't know if the calculation is right, but this exam says no calculator, so we must respect the rules and see how I will actually solve it with my brain alone. Haven't studied math for like 5 years, guys, so don't judge. Does this make sense? Is 20 times 15 3,000, or is it 20 times 150 is 3,000? I know it's either 15 or let me double check, because if 15 times 2 is 30, then for there to be 3,000, there must be two more zeros. Okay, so the answer is actually 150. Okay, sorry, my bad, my bad. So for every 20 miles, no, so for this whole ride, he's gonna use 150 miles. Sorry, what am I talking about? For this whole ride, what I calculated, he's gonna use 150 liters liters of oil. I don't know if you guys understood what I did. Hopefully, I'm not I think I want to answer one question and then check the answer straight away, so we can actually see if I did it right. I don't want to mislead anyone here. So as soon as I answer this question, I'm going to reveal the answer if I can find the answer sheet. I'll check. Oh, sure, I deleted the. I'll find it anyways. 150 liters per thingy. Work out the total cost. Okay, this is calm. I think I understand. So if he's gonna write it for 30, what? Gary needs to mix oil with petrol. So what's the point of the ratio? I don't understand what's the meaning. Why is this information important? Why do you tell me about the ratio? I'm guessing I have to do something about the ratio, right? Because why? Because you're telling me to work out the cost of bottles of oil. But oh, sorry. It says it uses 1 liter of oil and petrol mixture. Okay, this is 100. So then for this whole ride, he will use 150 liters of oil and petrol. And we know that the ratio of the oil and petrol is 1 to 14. To calculate how much oil he used for this 3,000-mile journey, we will do 150 divided by 15. That's to know the value of one box. When I do my ratios, I always draw the boxes to help me calculate what the ratio, the amount of the ratio. I don't know how to explain it, guys, but it's very useful that when you're calculating ratios to draw the boxes. So the ratio of oil to petrol is 1 to 14. That's why I drew 15 boxes and I shaded in one box representing the ratio. It's easier when you draw. So, anyways, 150 divided by 15 is 10. 15 is 10. So just know that each box is equivalent to 10 liters. Just remember that. Each box is equivalent. So I can't write that. I can't write it for all of them. So I'm just going to write it for some. Well, I just know that the oil in total is going to use is 10 liters for the journey. It's going to use 10 liters of, oh my god, is this clear? 10 liters of oil. I'm writing with my mouse, that's why it's not that clear. But it's going to use 10 liters of oil for the whole journey, and we know that 500 milliliters of oil costs £3.99. So now we're going to work out what will be 1 liter of oil. You get? So basically, guys, I just have to double this. 3.99 plus 3.99 is technically 4 plus 4, which is 8. And I have to take away 2p minus 0.02. It's basically £7.99. 98 per liter. Per liter. So if we know that it's £7.98 per liter, and we're going to use 10 liters for this journey, the answer will be 10 liters times £7.98, which is what they charge. And this means that the answer is £79.80. And that's my answer. 79 pounds 80 cents. Does it tell me to estimate or no? Okay, it doesn't tell me to estimate, so that should be the correct answer. And right now, guys, we're going to check the answer sheet. Usually when I used to study for my GCSEs, I did a lot of past papers and I look at the answers. I don't know if the answers were released, but I'm going to look for the answers right now. So I'm going to look for this exact past paper right now. It's 2015 past paper. So I'm going to look for this and check the answer because I don't want to give you guys bad information, you know. If I'm wrong, we will understand why it's wrong. I like learning. So hopefully you guys like learning too. And I'm seeing that you guys like watching these maths videos. So maybe I could help with a bit of maths. Maybe I could help you guys with a bit of maths. Since I got a very good grade for maths. It's one of my faves. I'm gonna look for the working out right now. Is it this one? Yeah, I'm looking for the right exam. I got the mark scheme right here. We're gonna look for the answer. The question we just did. Oh, I think I'm gonna download it. So I'm gonna hide the camera for a second because I'm entering my files on my laptop, and that's like private. No, I mean yeah. But anyways, let me get the download. Oh my gosh. It's taking a while. Oh my gosh, man. Documents. Oh, there it is. We're gonna check if what I told you guys is correct. Okay, so we got the mark scheme. The question we just attempted was question 6. And my answer is 79.80. Let's check if that's the correct answer. Hopefully this is the correct mark scheme. I will be humbled or I will be correct. Let's see. Oh, correct. The answer for that question is £79.80, which means we got it right. If you guys want any explanation on why that's the answer, let me know. But anyways, I'm going to take a little break for a second. I'm going to be back in literally 30 seconds. Alright guys, so we're back. We got this answer correct. I would like to use my whiteboard, maybe to show my working out. I have a whiteboard right here, and to make it clearer for you guys. So, did you guys also try this at the same time? Or if you guys would like to do some maths right now with me, if you guys are studying for your GCSEs, let's study together. I'm a GCSE graduate. I got a band 8 in maths. So I think I'll get a couple of questions right and I'll be able to explain or show you guys how I work out my answers and stuff if you guys want. So if you guys are doing GCSE maths, this is the higher paper. This is the 2015 papers. If you guys want to practice as well, maybe get a piece of paper next to you right now and let's try to do these questions together right now. As I attempt a question, I'll check the answer straight away so we can all benefit from it. Would you guys like me to use my whiteboard, or is it better for me to like write it there, right here? It's clear, right? I think it's better if I write it here because if I use my whiteboard, I don't think you'll be able to see. Anyways, we're gonna do this one. I'm not an expert, guys. I did maths 5 years ago, but I like maths. Let's see how to simplify this. Okay, I think that means 3y minus 6, and then, hey, plus 2y plus 10, right? So in total, 3y plus 2y is equal to 5y, and minus 6 plus 10 is equal to 4, basically plus 4. Is this correct or is this wrong? Let's see. Sure. Okay. We need to find a way where I can check the answers without going to the next one. Let's see. Okay, that was correct. 5y plus 4. Easy mark. Easy. I'm going to color it a different color so you guys can know that it's correct. Yeah. So you guys know that answer is correct. So if you guys have maths exams, I recommend doing practice questions. That literally helped me a lot to get my grade. That's what I was doing when I was doing my GCSEs, when I was preparing. I did a bunch of practice questions. And if you think about it, the practice questions are usually similar to what you're gonna have in the real exam. So I did as many practice questions that were available, as many as possible, the exams. And if you have the GCSE book, the GCSE bite-sized book, I don't know. I used to have it 5 years ago. I don't know if you guys do something different now, but that's what I used to use. Let's factorize. I'm gonna skip some of them though, because I don't think I know all of them. Like this one. Not gonna lie, I already saw the answer. Apparently it's W2 squared. Wait, why is it? I don't know. Why is that? Why is this answer? Why is that the answer though? Oh, is it because the W do? I don't understand though. I don't understand that one. But the answer for this one is W squared. W squared. Yeah. I ain't gonna write it because I didn't get it right. Because I didn't get to the answer. Basically, that would just be me copying the answer. Anyways, let me factorize. So 5. Oh, use a different color pen. This will be 5x plus 4. That's my answer. That's my answer. My working out is basically 20 divided by 5 is 4. That's why we know that the answer is 5x plus 4. I hope it's correct. Is it? Okay, 5x plus 4. Correct. No, these are simple mark. I want the ones that make me think. So we should move to the ones at the end. Oh, I like writing. Let's see this juicy question. Kim invested 2,000 for 2 years. By the end of the first year, the value of the investment was 15% more than its value. Kim invested, oh my gosh. Kim invested £2,000 for 2 years. You guys can read it for yourself. And if you guys can answer it, if you guys find out the answer to this question, write it in the comments as well. And we'll check if it's correct as well. We'll check the working out. But if I can't do it, bro, I'm just skipping it. I'm skipping. I ain't gonna do the whole paper. I'm just gonna do some because I'm bored. Kim invest. Give me for 2 years. But okay, I like underlining stuff. Give me for 2 years. The value of the first investment was 15,000 more. Oops. Hopefully that wasn't. Hopefully, why am I stuttering though? Oh my gosh, I need to calm down. But thank you guys for joining. There's like 87 people on this live, which is actually crazy. Thank you very much. It's crazy. This, I think, one of them. Let me not talk because I'm stuttering a lot. Anyways, by the end of the first year, the value of the investment was 15,000 more than its value at the beginning of the year. By the end of the second year, the value of the investment was 10% more than its value at the end of the first year. Okay. So this is how I will write it. I'm a visual learner. So just know at the start of the first year, there was 2K. Oh my gosh. Don't forget to hit the like button as well if you like this type of live, so I'll know to do it again. If you want to, if you like this content, if you like the live. 2,000 at the start of the first year. Then at the end, by the end of year one, there was 15% more than this. Oops. So what's 15% of, let me just write it. What's 15% of 2K? So 15% is shown as 15 over 100. That's another way to say 15% of 200. And how do you calculate this? Well, you do 200 divided by 100, which gives you 2. And then 2 times 15. Yeah, 200 divided by 100, which is 2. And then 2 times 15, which gives you 15%, which is equal to 30. Sorry, what? Wait, that don't make sense. Wait. Oh, shoot. It's supposed to be 15. Wait. 15% of 2,000, not 200. Oh my gosh. I was shocked. So 15%. This gives you 20 times 15. That should be 300. So if by the end of the first year, we have 15 more than at the beginning, then we have 300 more, because 300 is 15%. So we have 2,300 by the end of the first year. Okay. Now, the beginning of the, what? By the end of the second year. Wait. Okay. Wait. Am I tripping? By the end of the second. Okay. So this is the end of the first year and the beginning of the second year at the same time. So by the end of the second year, the value of the investment was 10% more than the value by the end of the first year. Okay, so the end of the second year is going to be 10% more than this. By then, the value of the was 10% more than its value at the end. So it's going to be 10% more than this. So 10% will just be 230. So this plus 230. And the reason I know that's 10% is because that's, if you do 10 over 100, times 2300, it will give you 230. So that's why I got the answer. So now let's just add this together. It gives us 2530. So what kind of value of the investment at the end of the second year? It should be £2,530. Am I incorrect? Maybe. We'll see. Oh, correct. 2,530. Dang, it actually took me long. How long do you guys usually have to do this exam? I think maybe I will run out of time, not gonna lie. 1 hour and 15. And I already wasted like how many minutes? 7 minutes on that 3-mark question. And it'll be faster. All right. Let's move on to this one. In England, the speed limit is 70 kilometers per hour. In Italy, the speed limit is 130 kilometers per hour. Which country has the greatest speed limit? Oh shoot, miles and kilometers. Bro, I don't know what is 1 mile and 1 kilometer. Oh, hi. Hi guys. Hi the Prime Boys and hi Shock. Thanks for joining the live. Hopefully you guys like maths. And if you don't, hopefully you will like it after this. So yeah, we're just answering some maths questions, maybe to help you guys, and also because I like doing maths sometimes. Oh, 1 mile is 1.6. Thank you very much. That's key information. So if I was in the exam, I would write that down on my paper. 1 mile equals 1.6 kilometers. If you guys have the answers for this question, let me know, and we'll work it through and check the past paper. And if you guys are going to do your GCSEs, or maybe you have 2 years to your GCSEs or so, good luck with them as well. You can do it. Believe in yourself and practice. You still have time. I think your exams are in July or May. I did my exams in May back in the day, so maybe it should be May or actually June. I think it was in June. Yeah, but good luck. You guys should keep revising, and you got this. So now we calculate which country has the greatest speed limit. I'm tired. I don't want to do this maths to an extent. Depends on the type of maths, actually. I prefer algebra. Actually, no, I don't. 70. Whoa, what am I supposed to do now? What am I supposed to do? You think the answer is Italy? Okay, someone says Italy. I'm going to write it down here. The Prime Boys says it's Italy. All right. Wait. Okay, I got it. Wrote it down here. And what do you think is Italy? What was your working out? Like, what did you do? Did you times 70 times 1.6? Oh, yeah, it makes sense. Did you times 70 times 1.6? Yeah, right. That's how you calculated it. 70 times 1.6 equals 112. Easy. Yeah, probably is. Yeah. Wait, are you? Yeah. 112. 112. And 112 punto is 70 times 1.6 is 1112, and 130 is bigger than 1112. But we are looking for the speed limit, not the distance. Wait. What am I talking about? And 1112 and 130 is bigger. No, we're looking for the one with the greater speed limit. Wait, am I tripping? Oh no, you guys are wait. So now we're looking for the wait a second. Am I tripping? Oh. I get it. Yeah, you guys are right. I agree. Because 130 kilometers per hour is bigger than 112 kilometers per hour. That's why you guys said Italy. Yeah, Italy's speed limit is greater by 18 kilometers. Yeah, I agree. Let's see if you guys are correct. Correct. Very, very good. Very, very good. You guys said it. You guys will get the point. Correct. Thank you, guys. I'm learning as well. Refreshing my mind. Very good. Do you guys like angles? We're moving on to angles. Question number 10. The diagram shows two regular polygons. What are polygons again? Is it that they all have equal sizes? All the sides are the same and all the angles are the same. Yeah, this one's a hard one, but I like problem solving. This is a juicy question. Let's get into it. Oh my gosh, my phone is 1%. It's gonna turn off. I'm gonna look for my charger. If the live ends, that's because my phone turned off and I didn't get to my charger fast enough. I need to run. Hopefully, oh my gosh, the charger is downstairs. I hope the live doesn't end, guys. I'm being very fast right now. My phone is literally 1%. And I'm live streaming from my phone. Let's see. Okay. All right. This is risky. Okay, I got to my charger on time. But have to be careful. I'm gonna look for a charger. I'll be back. All right, I'm back with a charger. Oh, but my charger is not that good, so it's gonna turn off. So the live may end because this charger that I have is bad quality. So sometimes it charges, sometimes it doesn't. But I'm gonna hold it in a certain way that it still continues, hopefully. Okay, my phone is 3% now, so I guess it's charging. Anyways, ready? Let's answer this question together. If you guys found out the answer, remember this is no calculator, so do not use a calculator for this. Rely on your own memory, and that is okay because it will show you what you know and what you don't know. So this is a non-calculator exam. Do not use no calculator. Just use pen and paper and your memory. But if you want, you can use your memory as well if you want to, as this is just like revision. So yeah. Okay, someone in the comments said we gotta find, okay, the prime boy said we gotta find out the interior angles of the octagon and the pentagon. Yeah. Oh, it's octagon, is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, an octagon. Sorry, my sister came for the rescue with a proper charger. So now I am settled. Thank you very much for the like. Thank you very much. Okay, jot down your comments, drop down your comments down below. Okay, the prime voice said the equation for this is n minus 2 times 180. Then divide that by the original value of n, which is the number of, which is the amount of interior angles in the shape. Yeah, I think I remember something like that. Yeah, n minus 2 times 180. I remember that equation when they taught me. N, thank you very much, the prime boys. N minus 2. Oh, makes sense. I think, yeah. I remember, but at the same time, I don't. But I think I do. Let's see if we can get the answer. So, we're working out this. Then we're working out, so, wait. So how are we going to, so to work out this part, we need to work out what this angle is. And also the angle of this whole pentagon. And then take away this big angle away from this one. The octagon from the pentagon. Thank you very much, the prime boys. I'm going to do the calculation right now. So this is the big one is an octagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So according to the equation, 8 minus 2 is equal to 6 times 180. Is he in a test? Oh, my name is Beatrice. I'm actually a girl, but no. Well, I'm doing a practice. Yeah, this is a test, but it's a past paper. It's a past paper. So 6 times 180, 0, 8, 10, 40. I hope this is the correct calculation because I'm doing it with my head. I think it's correct, right? 1080. So that's the wait. So what's this? What does that mean? Oh, wait. Doesn't make sense. Wait. Oh, that's this the addition of is if you add all angles together. This way, this is what it's equivalent to. I think. So we do 180 divided by 8 to find out one angle. It will be 2, 8, 3, 3, 4, 3. Take 4, 0, 5. So each big angle like this is 135. Now we calculate what the angle of the pentagon is. Then we take it away. So we do 5 minus 2, which is 3 times 180, which is 0, 4, 5, 540. And now 540 divided by 5 to give you the angle of one of each pentagon you get of each thingy. So 540, 1, 0, 4. Is it dang? Yeah, 0, 8. So each angle of a pentagon is equivalent to 108 degrees. If I'm not mistaken. So, wait, it looks wrong. Oh no, never mind. Now we're gonna do 135. Take away 108. So add 1, 2, 3. Okay, so the value of x will be 27 degrees. I wonder if you guys got that too. Maybe it's incorrect. We'll see. Maybe it's incorrect actually, or maybe it's correct. I don't know. Let's see. Okay, it's correct. The answer is 27, and that's the working out. This is the feedback that the examiners will get to see. Write these numbers in order of size. In order of size. Oh. What does this? I don't like this one. I don't like this question. I'm going to skip it. But I think it's doable, but I just don't want to think too much. This one, coordinates. What do you mean by coordinates? I don't know. The point of C on the cuboid has coordinate. I'm sorry, I don't comprehend. Oh, we're trying to find. This one seems tricky. This one seems tricky. This is a tricky one. Oh, I think I understand what we're gonna do. So the area of this whole thing is a squared. Sorry, is a. And we're looking for a formula of a in terms of x. So we're looking for an algebra formula for the area of this. So if you guys have your answer or know what you will do, let me know in the comments. So my strategy for this is to work out this missing piece, and work out this whole square, if this was a whole square, then take away the value of this whole square from this missing piece, and that will be the formula for a. So yeah, I think it sounds confusing the way I explained it, but I'll just show you. So I'm gonna do x plus a, x plus 4, because area is length times width, this times that, this times this. So answer for this will be x squared plus 12x plus 32. And now we're going to calculate this piece, this missing piece here. Oh, someone, Papa Deshmo, someone said the answer is 90. I think it's gonna be, the answer has to be in terms of x. So there's not an actual number for this answer. There's no number. There's no number for this answer. The answer is gonna look a bit like this. It's gonna look a bit like this, like a equals something like this. You get? There's not gonna be a real number for this question. It's just the answer is algebra. So yeah, need to work out this piece. If this whole thing is x plus 4 and this little piece is x plus 2, then this part must just be plus 2. What am I tripping? I don't know. And if x plus this, x plus a, then oh my gosh. Oh, never mind. I don't know. I'm confused. I don't know where to go from here. Oh, actually, I need to think hard. This is a tricky question. Let's see how many marks it will be. 4 marks. 4 valuable marks. My mind is confusion. I don't know if this will be x plus 2. Oh, never mind. Okay, this is x plus 5. I am confused. Let me take the leap of faith and just go with my gut. Maybe it's wrong, but it is what it is. So we're going to do x plus 5 times 2. We got 2x plus 10. And we're going to take this whole thing away from this to get x squared plus 10x plus 22. And that's my answer. Am I wrong? Likely. Very likely. Well, this is my answer. We'll see if I got it wrong and why I got it wrong. Or hopefully I got it right, but I don't know. Okay. We got it. Okay. We got it correct. So this is the answer. Write down the value of 6 to the power of 0. Anything to the power of 0, is it equal to 0 or is it equal to 1? Anything to the power of 0. 6 to the power of 0. Will this be equal to 1 or will it be equal to 0? This is a question for 1 mark. 1 mark in the exam. And I think, if I remember well, it's equal to 1. Let's see. Okay. 1. Uh-oh. Working out. Oh, the camera is blurry. To work out this. Not gonna lie, I don't remember how to work this out. I don't remember. Why is there a minus there? Does that mean that the whole equation turns to a minus? I don't remember. So I'm going to skip this one. Okay, we got factorizing. This one. Ooh. This one. Seems tricky. I'm skipping too. I'm definitely skipping. Am I supposed to draw? Oh, I'm supposed to draw a graph in this one. I'm skipping that one, sorry. Oh, more angles. Don't think we have to calculate the radius or something. What are we calculating in this question? You must give reason. Prove that angle AOB is equal to CPB. AOB. Okay, we need to prove that this angle is equal to. Prove that angle AOB is equal to angle CPB. Is equal to CPB to this angle. How am I going to prove that? Am I supposed to do like some algebra like pi r squared? I don't know that. Do you guys know the answer to this? It seems tricky. It's one of the hardest questions I've seen today. Oh, okay, let's write down what we know at least. We know that this is 90. That's all I know. Okay, tangent. What does tangent? Oh, sure. We know that this is 90 as well. This part is 90. This part is 90. Oh my gosh. So this is 90, 90. And we know that a square has this. How many? How much does it add up to? I think we're getting there. Or are we not? I don't know. Maybe I'm gaslighting myself into thinking I actually understand, but I don't. What do you guys, what will you guys go from here for this question? Does anyone know? RPB is a tangent. The fact they're telling me it's a tangent, I feel like it's something important. And diameter. Why is it important as a diameter? I don't understand. Is there like an equation for this? Like you're telling me it's a tangent. I know there must be something important, some key equation to do with the fact that it's a tangent or a diameter. I don't remember though. I don't know. How can I prove this? Wait. Okay. This is 90, this is 90. I don't know. I don't know where to go from here. Do you guys have any suggestions? Drop it down in the comments if you guys understand this question. Or if you guys have any suggestion on what I need to do to answer this. What I need to do. Hey, is there an equation? I don't know. Hey, I don't know. If you guys don't know the answer to this question, if you guys are doing your GCSEs, you got to revise this then, in case it comes up in your non-calculator exam. The the pressure is getting worse. Worse. I'm literally just staring at this until I get an answer. Maybe. Or a clue. What am I supposed? They're not even corresponding angles or anything. They're not corresponding. This is 90. Well, I don't understand. Wait. There must be a formula. I don't know it. I'm going to give up and I'm going to look at the mark scheme for this. This is question 17. Let's see how they answered it. Ooh, a lot of working out. Proof. Okay, so this is the working out for that question. For using one circle theorem. Oh, it's a circle theorem. Angles in a triangle add up to 180. Okay. Angles in a quadrilateral four-sided shape add up to 360. Okay. Angles on a straight line add up to 180. That's true. The tangent to a circle is perpendicular 90 degrees to the radius diameter. Yes. Tangents from an external point are equal in length. What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that? Tangents. Oh, are you telling me that I was supposed to join point R to S and you're telling me that any tangent... Wait, it don't make sense though. Wait. Now, let me keep reading. Tangents from an external point are equal in length. Huh? How is that supposed to help me? Oh, you're telling me that this side and this side... Oh! Are you telling me that it's an isosceles triangle? Or am I just reaching for the stars? Reasons must be known for the method shown. Bro, this didn't help me. I still don't understand. Oh, shoot, that was the last question. Don't tell me that was the last question. Dang, that was the last question. Wow. How can that be the last question? Oh, yeah, it's the last question, guys. Of this paper. And I still don't understand why. I don't understand the answer. I don't understand it. This proof stuff. Angles in a triangle. Okay, the tangent. I don't know. I wonder if I did this exam, if I will pass it again. I don't know, no gonna lie. I don't know. It's not looking good, bruv. It's not looking good. Anyways, let me do the simpler ones. Factorize. This is gonna be y. What's the answer? Okay, y minus 7. Y plus 2. And the reason for this is because 7 minus 7 times plus 2 is equal to minus 14. And minus 7y plus 2y is equal to minus 5y. And y times y is equal to y squared. Usually, in the real exam, I think you have to show your working out. So I guess my working out will be that 2 times 7 is equal to 14. And that 7 take away 2 is equal to 5. And maybe do the actual box to prove it. Maybe that will be my working out. Let's move on to this one. Expand and simplify. Okay, let's try. No, I can't write the whole thing. 2 to the square root of 5 times 3 to the square root of 5. How am I going to calculate that? Is it 3 times... I don't know the answer, bro. I don't know. 2 to the square root of 5 times 3 to the square root of 5. Is it 6 to the square root of 5? Do the square roots cancel out? That's my question. What happens to the square roots? Do they cancel out? Let's check it out in the mark scheme. This is question 15B. Question 15B. Oh, square root 5 plus 29. How did we get there from this question? From this question to this answer. Realistic correct terms. 4 times ignoring signs. Okay, so you did the multiplication. And then the... Hey, I don't understand it still. I want to understand. I want to understand this. So, in the math scheme, they did 2 to the square root of 5 times 3 to the square root of 5. And for some reason, okay, I don't get it. Oh, and then they got, how do you get that though? Okay. I don't know. Oh. They times this by this, and they times this by this. Then this by each other. No, I don't understand this still. Why? I don't understand how you only got square root 5 out of this. I don't understand this. And it's 2 marks, this question. It's difficult. Thank you very much for the like. If you guys have any suggestions, or if you guys are confused like me, or if you guys know what to go from this, or why the answer is square root 5 plus 29, please let me know. If you guys have any idea, expand. Do I need to expand first? I think I'm gonna have to skip it. I'm sorry guys, I'm gonna have to skip it. But that was the answer. Hopefully you guys understood the mark scheme. But if you don't understand the mark scheme, and if you're doing your GCSEs, maybe talk to your teacher about this question, about this type of question, and ask them how you will solve it, how they will solve it. Actually, that's what I will do. And it's not even the hardest question in the paper, and that's crazy. Okay, so we did that. This one I ain't gonna try it because I don't know already. I don't know this one. It's tricky. I think I'm gonna move on to a different past paper. So yeah guys, we quickly attempted the, what grade is this? This is higher tier. This is for the UK. If you're in England, a higher tier. The exams you do when you turn like 16 in high school.